Hi everybody, it's Deb here with Creative Life. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having a great day, and thank you guys so much for all the beautiful and sweet comments that you guys are leaving me for this 12 days of Christmas. I am having such a great time reading all of your comments, and thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. Today is day number 9 of the 12 days of Christmas, and our theme today is Nutcracker. And so I did 2 different projects here using a Nutcracker type theme. So for this one here, it is a little shaker. And I actually used a stamp and colored him in and put his little face in a little snow globe. And I thought that was stinking cute, right? And I will show you the stamp and set that I used here in just a minute. So this one right here is a card that I created using the Nutcracker. And so this paper that I used is actually Rosa Kelly's digital paper. And I cannot remember the name of it, but I will go to her store and grab it for you if it's still there. And I will put the link down below for you. But it has the Nutcracker story, and it is so stinking cute. I did use this last year on a card, and here is some of the little scenes here. I just love it. It's so pretty. And here's a little piece that I used here, and then here is another little piece. Here's some little pieces that I used. So I just printed this out on my, printer, and then went ahead and cut it down to create this card. Now this card is called a fractured card, and I just I was looking at cards on Pinterest, and I saw this, and I thought, this is kind of a neat card. I've never done one, and so I thought I would try it out. And y'all, I absolutely love this card. It's so easy to put together. Super easy to put together. Okay, and then you open it up, and there you go. And it is a flat card. I didn't put anything on it. I might go ahead, and after my stickles is still a little bit wet, still a little bit tacky, I might go ahead and put a Merry Christmas right across the top here. So I just thought that this was super cute. So I really like this card. It turned out so cute. And this right here, again, I went ahead, and for the background, I used the Nutcracker paper back here, and from Rosa's digital paper. I did outline my snow globe with stickles, and then put winter wishes down here. I made some little stars. For the little Nutcracker guy, I put some stickles on his hat. And then, let me see if I can get all of, and then here you can see I colored in his little face. So cute. It turned out super cute. I really like it. Let me move this over to the side, and I'll share the stamps with you guys. So the stamp set that I used is actually from, what is it? Let's see here. It is We Are Makers. So it is super cute set, you guys. I actually bought this off of Amazon when they had it on sale. And there's 9 shapes and 36 stamps that they call them shifting stamps, and I'll explain to you how that works. So let me grab a sheet of paper here so it's easier for you guys to see. So these here are the dies, okay, that come with the stamps. Now you'll see that this is kind of like a flower or star, and here that die will cut out this flower, this little snowflake, the star, and then the little lights. And same thing with this little guy here. It looks like a gingerbread guy. It'll cut out this little penguin. It'll cut out this little nice flower set right here. It cuts out this little deer, and then this little gingerbread guy. The other one that is shaped like a little, kind of like a little hat with a head, that cuts out the snow globe, the snowman, it cuts out this the Nutcracker face, and then it cuts out the little trumpet. And so how nifty is that, right? And then the same thing goes for this. Here you have your, I think it goes, no, it goes this way. You have a glove, and then you have this little one here that kind of shaped, kind of funky, and then you have like a little tag. This one is the glove. It cuts out this hot cocoa. This one cuts out the joy, and this one cuts out this chimney that has the stockings, or the fireplace, I should say. And then you have another hot cocoa drink. Or no, this is a candle, not a hot cocoa. That's a candle. This is the hot cocoa. It cuts out this light, and then you've got this present and that is for these up here. You've got a Santa, a ho, 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 and you've got a tag. You've got a mitten, candy canes, and a house. And that tag cuts out the house. I just think this is so, so nifty. For this one, you have a stocking, and you've got a hat and a little, like, it looks like a tree. That cuts out this one here, cuts out a nativity scene, a skate. You've got like a little North Pole, a Santa hat, and a tree. You have a little ornament. You have a little, a bird in a pear tree. You got a little stocking. You have a little hat here, elf hat, a sleigh, and then an angel. And I just think that these turned out, I mean, these are so cute. I just think that they're so nifty and a great way to use all those shapes for all these little different types of stamps. So anyway, just had to share that with you guys. So, so that is my project for today. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to make one of these really quick. Okay. It's super fast. You guys will not believe how fast this card is. Okay. So I'll be right back. I'm going to get all my supplies and I'll be right back. Okay, so to make this fractured card, what you're going to do is you're going to need your card base. Now mine is 5.5 by 5.5, and I'm actually going to do my card this way, where it opens from the top. Okay, and then I went ahead and picked out this piece here, and this is actually 5.25 by 5.25. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. We are going to actually work on the map for a second. Okay, next you're going to need, now I went ahead and cut my piece, my square piece. Now you can make these any size you want. Okay, I cut this at 2.25 by 2.25. Again, you can cut this any size you want, and then you're going to go ahead and glue this down. Okay, and you are going to turn it as like a diamond, and you're just going to sit that right in the middle. You can actually put this any way. You could put it lower, you can put it higher, you can put it any way you want. I'm just putting mine right in the middle. And you can use a plain paper. You don't have to use a pattern paper if you don't want to. Now you are going to need 4 of these. Okay, and the strips are actually a quarter, okay, a 1/4 inch by, I think, 6. I think there is almost like as big as my sheet here. It's from a 6 by 6 pad, so I cut them at 6. And you're going to start by placing this one here right up next to the edge of your little square. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to place some adhesive right on the back there. Now I'm not going all the way to the top of that because we're going to end up cutting that off. Okay, so you're just going to put this like that. Then you're just going to go ahead and go around. Okay, you're going to butt your next piece up to the edge of this piece here. Okay, and if you want to, if it helps, just go ahead and place your glue here and then make a little line all the way down, just like that. And you're just going to scoot that up right there so it butts up next to everything. Okay, And then again, you're going to go ahead and you're going to place that right along there. Alrighty. And butt that up and go ahead and glue that down. Your last piece, you're going to go straight across this way. Super easy peasy, you guys. I love this card. Okay. It's so easy. So easy to put together. And it looks so nice. So next we're just going to go ahead and you're going to cut these off. Super nice card, easy peasy. And not only that, but you can definitely, you know, add whatever you want to it. So next we're going to go ahead and just stick that right on top of here if you want to. And really easy card to create, you guys. Super easy. Just like that. Oh, I kind of messed up on that one right there. I have a little space, but I can just go ahead and I'll put something on there. Next, I have some little stickers here, and I thought this one that says "Have yourself a little Merry Christmas" would look super cute right in the middle there. So I'm going to go ahead and stick that right there, just like that. And then I have, let's see here. Got some stockings, some presents. Got I am thinking, what about this little piece here? Definitely, you can put that there, right across there, just like that. And I think that is it. You can definitely stick some other things on here if you want to, like what I did. Once I had everything on there that I wanted, I went ahead and just went around my area with some stickles. So there we go. So you can make it look really super pretty just by putting some little stickles on it, or if you want to add some, excuse me, I just added little dots like right in the corner here. Just like that. And super cute, super pretty, and voila, you're done. So there's your little card. It's all ready to go, and it's a flat card. You don't have to worry about, you know, unless you add some flowers or something to it, it's totally up to you. But I thought that this little card was super easy to create and just super fun. And so again, this was my Nutcracker project for today. So I hope that you guys like it. Hope that I'm trying to get in the camera for you guys. I hope that you guys like my little project. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to hit on Kim Murray's channel down below. And thank you guys so much for joining me. Again, we have Rosa as the hostess. We have Kim Murray and Tiffany McGill joining us for this 12 Days of Christmas YouTube hop. Also, just wanted to make an announcement real quick that don't forget that there will be prizes, and I think we're all going to announce the prizes on the 16th of December, which is the Saturday right after we're done. So be sure to comment and make sure that your channels are open and visible for us to see that you are a subscriber. Thank you guys so much. Take care, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. Thanks for joining me today, y'all. Don't forget that down here in both of these corners, I have some more fun crafty videos for you to view. And don't forget to hit that bell for future notifications on all upcoming live shows, tutorials, videos, and more.